Among these is not a quadrilateral? Pentagon. Which was the first calculating device among these? Abacus. What is the geometric center of a surface or body called as? Centroid. To which of these the product is a negative value? Plus x dash is equal to any number raised to the power 0 n degree is always equal to 1. What is a mechanical procedure to work out a given calculation or solving problem in a series of steps such as long division, finding HCF of two positive integers, etc., known as algorithm? What is the part of a circle formed between two radii and the circumference known as sector? What is the name given to the number that consists of 1 followed by two gall of zeros, 101 degree 100? Googleplex. Which is not a cardinal number but an ordinal number? Ninth. What is only possible to draw on any 2 points? Straight line. What is a diagram used to represent sets and relationships between sets called? Venn diagram. A line on which intervals of time are recorded in chronological order is known as timeline. How is an elliptical spheroid oval called? Ellipsoid. What is the highest point of a triangle, cone or pyramid or the opposite corner of a given base called? Apex. What is the common approximations to the pi value? Both of above. What is 1 yard equivalent to? All of these. The number that is divisible by 2 is known as even number. What is anything without bounds of size of number, unlimited and endless, known as infinite? A pyramid cut by a plane parallel to the pyramid's base is called frustum. What was the original term for 0? Cipher. By arranging digits 1 to 9 in ascending order and with arithmetic signs, which among these adds up to 100? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8x9. What is a pictorial representation of a continuous frequency distribution called? Histogram. When is Pi Day celebrated around the world? 41,699. Who is the father of mathematics? Archimedes. Which among these is the cube root number of 64? 4. What is the world's highest honor for maths, which is described as Nobel Prize for Maths, conferred every 4 years by the International Congress of Mathematicians? Fields Medal. What is the numerator of second June? 2. What is a pictorial representation of statistics known as? Graph. What is a junction or a point where straight lines or curves intersect? Node. How many times the digit 5 represents from 1 to 100? 20. What is a branch of geometry concerned with the general properties of shapes and space called? Topology. What is a triangle with two sides of same length and two angles of equal size called as? Isosceles angle. What is another name for a rectangle or rectangular? Oblong. What are the lines that do not lie in the same plane, cannot intersect and are not parallel called? Skew lines. Which branch of maths solves problems relating to plane and spherical triangles? Trigonometry. Which among these is the only even prime number? 2. What is a plane figure with 4 sides, of which 2 are parallel, known as? Trapezium. What is a measuring instrument with curved legs for measuring thickness of curved objects 0, 1 turned upwards for measuring cavities called? Caliper. What is an arrangement of objects, numbers, etc. in columns or rows known as? Array. In geometry, a line that intersects the two plane faces is called edge. What is the term for a shape formed by intersecting two equilateral triangles? Hexagram. What is a plane shape made of 2 or more squares of the same size, with each square connected to at least one of the others by a common edge known as? Polyomino. What term applies to a straight line that joins corners of square rectangle? Diagonal. What is the ratio of chances in favor of an event to the total number called? Probability. A straight line that divides an angle or AR interval into two equal parts is called bisector. What is formed when a sphere is bisected half by a plane that passes through the center of the sphere? Hemisphere. If a number is squared, it is multiplied by what? Itself. What is the exponent of 8? 5. Who discovered line graph, bar chart, circle graph? William Playfair. What is a branch of maths in which symbols, usually letters of the alphabet, are used to represent unknown numbers? Algebra.